guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here and seeing my face for the very first time, hi, I am Prakriti, and yes, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. तो आज का वीडियो होने वाला है ज़िवामे हॉल वीडियो. सो बेसिकली मैं ज़िवामे से शॉप करती रहती हूँ एंड दिस टाइम इट्स देयर नाइट सूट हॉल वीडियो. लाइक इन दिस लॉकडाउन ऐसा हो गया है कि आई हैव बीन लिविंग इन कम्फी क्लोथ्स लाइक बी इट पजामा शॉर्ट्स एंड ऑल. सो आई हैव बीन लविंग दोज. सो मैंने सोचा व्हाई नॉट इन्वेस्ट इन सम कम्फी क्लोथ्स. सो लाइक मैंने ज़िवामे के नाइट सूट्स पहले भी ट्राई किए हुए हैं बट दे वर फ्रॉम द फुल लेंथ कैटेगरी आई सपोज. तो आई प्रेफर्ड देम वेयरिंग इन विंटर्स. So this time I and my sister got a bunch of night suits from them. Like my sister to owns a lot of night suits, like from every category she has it, and I have tried a few of them only. So I thought why not invest in some of those, क्योंकि अब आदत सी हो गई है वैसे कपड़ों में रहने की. सो या ज़िवामे के नाइट सूट्स थोड़े एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं. सो आई प्रेफर वेटिंग सेल का बिकॉज इन द सेल टाइम दे हैव अमेजिंग ऑफर्स गोइंग ऑन. So yeah, if you wanna see what all I got, so stay tuned till the end of the video. And yeah, without much ado, let's just start with the video. So yeah, starting off with the first set, and it's this maroon colored set which is full length, like basically full sleeved है ये. And इसमें दो pockets हैं जिसमें detailing दी हुई है, like the same thing that's there in the lower. I'll show you. तो इसमें कुछ लिखा हुआ है सिटी ड्रीमर्स या सिटी ड्रीमर्स, एंड जो लोअर की पाइपिंग है वो दी हुई है, पूरी डिटेलिंग की हुई है. सो आई रियली लाइक. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द लोअर और द पैजामा दैट इट हैज़, सो ये कुछ ऐसा है लाइक इट्स फुल लेंथ एंड इसमें कुछ वही एब्स्ट्रैक्ट सी बिल्डिंग्स एंड ऑल लैम्प टाइप बना है. सो माई बेसिक मोटिव टू बाय दिस वॉज लाइक ज़िवामे में ऐसा है कि majority of night suits have upper and lower both printed, but this particular set attracted me because this had like a unique color combination like brick red with maroon. It was really good. And the second thing was literally like सारी printed होते हैं but this one had a plain top and a printed lower, so I really liked it. And talking about the fabric, तो fabric की तो कोई बात ही नहीं है. Earlier also I have tried their night suits and I really liked. तभी मैंने दोबारा purchase किया है. So basically I am in the size XS and it retails for 1795. Yeah, I told you उनके expensive होते हैं but sale में मुझे ये कुछ 900 something का मिला है. I'll write the exact prices on the screen. So yeah, I really like this. So the next set my sister got for herself and it's this shirt and a shorts set. So yeah, this is the set I was talking about and this is basically it has a checked vibe all over. So yeah, it has these books and pens printed on it and बहुत ही quirky से font में लिखी हुई हैं चीज़ें like notes, wake up, eat, sleep, study. So it's really nice and it is this collared shirt with like it has a pocket also here. So yeah, it's very nice and the short is also same. So it is like a knee length short, like knee से थोड़ा सा ऊपर आ रहा है मुझे. And it's really comfy, it's really loose and बहुत ही ज़्यादा amazing है. So the print is exactly same, जो ऊपर top है वही नीचे lower में भी है. So yeah, and it is in the size XS and it retails for 1395 and I got it somewhere around 700 or 600. So yeah, it's really good, बहुत ही ज़्यादा amazing है. So yeah, the next set that I got for myself is this a light peach sort of a set. So basically ये भी short और shirt set है but this is not a collared shirt. ये basically V-neck shirt है and it has this abstract drawing going on the front. Like this drawing particularly reminds me of my childhood when we used to dip a thread basically in paint and put it in between two pages and then pull it and basically कुछ ऐसा pattern बन जाता था abstract सा and बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता था and we used to be so happy कि हमने कुछ बनाया. So yeah, this is really nice. And talking about its short, so basically this is how it looks like. इस पे भी कुछ abstract सी चीज़ें बनी हुई हैं. And yeah, this is not knee length, ये knee length से थोड़ा ऊपर है and it has two pockets and इसका fabric previous वाले से भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा soft है. It's this hosiery material which is really soft and it has this slit at the side, so it will look really cute whenever you wear it. And I am in the size XS and it retails for 1195 and I got it, I remember specifically because it was around 550 and around 40% off was there on this. So yeah, I was very happy देख के and I really like this one. So the next is a set that I got for myself and it's this purple colored pajama set. So this is basically how it looks like it's a dark purple color, and it has these owls printed on it, and it has this sleepy owl written over here. So like it's really good. And talking about the pajama, so it's basically a full length pajama. So this is how it looks like, and it has this closure, तो ये आपके ankle पे properly fit हो जाएगा, तो वो ऐसा open ended वाला नहीं है. Like the first set that I showed वो पूरा straight था, but this one has this closure to it, and इस पे all over owl पूरे बने हुए हैं, and it looks so good. And इसका भी material is really soft. Like जो पहले मैंने दिखाया था वो थोड़ा cottonish sort of में था, but this is pure hosiery material, so it's really soft. And yeah, it has pockets and drawstring, so it will fit really good. And yeah, if I talk about the size, so I'm in the size XS, and it retails for $13.95. Yeah, it retails for $13.95. So I'm really happy with the buy, and together they look really good. So the next set in particular is one of my favorites from this haul, and it's yet again a shirt and a shorts set. So this is how it looks. It's again a peach colored set, but it's a bit darker than the earlier one. Like I'll show you the previous one. So this is the shade difference. So this is the tone lighter and this is a darker tone. So this is how it looks. It's again a collared shirt and a shorts. So this one I got for myself, and I don't know what attracted me. Iska color ya fir these cactus that are printed on it. But any which ways, I liked this a lot. And this is how it looks. It has this cactus print all over, and it has this grey sort of piping detailing, and it is like a buttoned shirt. तो ये वाला and the earlier book one that my sister got, ये exactly similar collections हैं, just that it's the print is different. And this is how the short looks like, and it looks so cute, the cactus. I don't know why, but I am really liking this print. And yeah, this one is also a knee length short, and this is how the shirt and the top look like. They are really comfy, and the material is really soft. It retails for $14.95, and I'm in the size again XS, and I'm really excited to wear this one in particular. So coming to the last set, and basically it's also a pajama set, and it's this very cute baby blue colored set. So basically this one is also a collared shirt, buttoned, जैसे कि पहले वाली I showed. It has kittens printed all over, and I feel that these are not printed, क्योंकि printed वाला पहले I showed, and उसमें टच करके पता लग जाता है कि वो printed है. But this is giving that embossed feeling, like as we do cloth painting, उसमें हम fabric color use करते हैं, वैसा sort of मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ा. And it's looking so good, and it will look really cute. मैंने ये पहन के भी देखा, and I really liked it. And talking about the pajama, so this is basically similar kind of pajama. ऊपर भी जैसा प्रिंट है वैसा ही है इस पे भी, and it has pockets and drawstrings. तो and इसकी जो ending है वो open है. So yeah, it's very comfy, and वैसे भी pastel colors I really like. And yeah, if I talk about the pricing, so it retails for $16.95, and I'm in the size XS. So basically if I talk all in all, मैंने सारी categories cover कर ली almost. Like pajama sets भी थे, short sets भी थे, then थोड़े mini short sets भी थे. And yeah, I really liked all the sets, and I literally can't wait to wear them. So yeah, that is it for this video. Hope you liked this haul, and if you did, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And do tell me in the comments below कि मैं और कौन से videos बनाऊँ. I'll be really happy to do so. And till then, stay safe and meet you in my next video. Bye.